Have you ever wished learning grammar could feel like playing an adventure game? Imagine traveling through time, exploring different worlds, completing exciting quests, and learning English along the way.
Without them,
Welcome and good day. We are here for pupils from SK Pauh, Perlis, Malaysia. TimeCraft AI is an adventure game that helps people learn 3 English tenses: simple present, simple past, and simple future. We created this project because many people find English tenses difficult. One reason is that our first language does not use tenses in the same way as English. Because of this, pupils are often confused about when to use the correct verb. We wanted to solve this problem in a fun and meaningful way. Our main objective is to help pupils understand English tenses through adventure, storytelling, and games. We also want to make grammar learning more enjoyable and increase pupils' confidence in using English. First, we discuss the learning problem with our teacher. Then, plan the storyline, characters, learning activities, and game challenges. We use Visual Studio Code to build the game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We also use AI tools such as ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, learning coding, improve our code, and solve programming problems. Our teacher guided us throughout the project. She monitored our progress and taught us how to give clear instructions to ChatGPT so that we could turn our ideas into a working game. We also use AI tools to create animations and publish the game online using Netlify.
In TimeCraft AI, players travel through 3 learning worlds: present village, past forest, and a future city. In every world, players watch a short lesson, complete quests, answer questions, earn experience points, and restore a time crystal. After restoring all 3 crystals, players unlock the final challenge. They can also enter the crystal chamber in virtual reality and receive the Master of Time badge. TimeCraft AI makes grammar learning more interactive, exciting, and meaningful. Pupils learn through exploration and experience, not only by memorizing grammar rules. In the future, we plan to develop TimeCraft AI into an Android application that pupils can download from the Google Play Store. We also hope to add more English topics, more learning worlds, and more virtual reality activities. Our goal is to make English learning fun, creative, and accessible to more pupils. Thank you.